Hi, everybody. This is your HEA 110 instructor, Brian Kaprowski again. I hope you're having a great Sunday afternoon. It's a beautiful day here in Raleigh, so I hope you get a chance to go outside and enjoy some of this great weather that we're having. I just wanted to go over some items in the class and then to discuss what is coming up for this week. First of all, as you can see here, make sure that you're completing the quiz and the written assignments by tonight at 11:59 p.m. and that's on psychological health. Okay. In addition to that, this coming week we are going to be going over our sleep chapter. It's a great chapter, one that I could learn a great deal from as well. I know I don't get enough sleep at night, and I could definitely need a couple more hours in order to function on the highest possible level throughout the day. Okay, and with that sleep chapter, that will be due next Sunday, September the 20th at 11:59 p.m. Now, with that chapter, if we're going to go over some of the objectives, you're going to identify the three stages of sleep. You're going to understand how to develop good sleep habits. You're going to explain the health-related advantages of sleep and the consequences if we don't get enough sleep throughout the day. You're going to understand the changing sleep needs throughout your life, as your sleep needs now will be different, let's say, than 20 years from now. You're going to list some common sleep disorders, their symptoms, their treatments. You're going to understand the natural pattern of sleepiness and alertness throughout the day. You're going to understand sleep disruptors and how to reduce their effects. Just to backtrack a little bit with this, the last chapter that I graded, please look at the comments that I'm providing to you. Take note of what I'm telling you. One of the biggest things that I'm going to be looking for in the responses to, especially the written questions, is I want you to expand upon your answers and provide great detail into them. So one sentence answers, it won't suffice. If you want to get the maximum amount of points, I need you to write a lot of content in your answers. Also, pay close attention to your grammar and your punctuation. And again, look at my comments. I hope you're going to have a great week. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye-bye.